Hi, my name is Dimitri with Azure CXP support. Today we're going to be talking about the conditional access feature, What If. Let's get started. This feature is great for testing a conditional access policy before placing it into production. When using the What If feature, we can validate conditional access policies that are currently in production as well as policies configured to be in report only. With What If, we can customize the conditions of our sign-in attempts to our specific test case scenarios. Let's see how conditional access What If feature works in action. First, we will start off by opening the Active Directory blade. Then we'll click Security. After clicking Security, next what we'll click on is Conditional Access. From here, we can see our conditional access policies listed out. For the video, I've already created a couple of sample conditional access policies. Now that we can see we have active conditional access policies, let's look at the What If feature. Next, we will click on the What If option. Within the What If blade, we can customize what we want to validate within the conditional access policy. The only field required to be populated is the user field. However, we can also choose to target a specific application with the Cloud Apps or Actions field. We can also choose to pick a device platform or a client app as well. Since we only need to populate the user, first I'll be selecting my demo user that I have already created over here. For the purposes of this video, you'll select somebody who you are looking to get more information about their conditional access policies. Next, I will click What If. As we scroll down, we could see information about which policies would be enforced or which policies would not be applied. Here we could see the single user MFA policy is set to the state on and would trigger. The policy below is configured in report only, but if this policy was enabled, it would be triggered as well. Next, we can look at the policies that will not apply. And we could see here that the production MFA policy will not apply because of users and groups. We can see that it's on, so we know that it would have been enforced, but we cannot see it actually affect the user, or it will not affect the user because the policy itself does not meet the conditions that it needs. Overall, this covers the What If feature. And that's it. That's the conditional access What If feature. Thanks for watching today, and hopefully you enjoy some of our other videos.